In an era of rapid industrial automation and digital transformation, precise measurement and reliable data are reshaping how industries operate. From industrial automation to smart water management, from environmental monitoring to intelligent manufacturing, sensor technology has become the bridge between the physical world and data. Choose KACISE Optronics Tech Co. Limited was established in 2008 in Xi'an, China. In the same year, the company completed its strategic transformation and entered the industrial sensing field. With over 18 years of experience, we continue to innovate and evolve, from single products to comprehensive system solutions, building a complete industrial sensing technology ecosystem. With years of technological expertise, we focus on industrial sensing and automated measurement technologies, committed to providing global customers with stable, accurate, and reliable measurement solutions. Our products include level measurement, water quality monitoring, flow measurement, product portfolio and customized solutions, along with full chain service capabilities and strong technical expertise. Our solutions are widely used across various industries. Water management, environmental monitoring, industrial automation and water treatment systems, as well as agriculture, energy, and chemical industries. Even in complex environments, our products deliver stable and reliable performance. Behind this stability lies continuous technological innovation and strict quality management. We are equipped with advanced manufacturing facilities and a rigorous quality control system. From product design to production and testing, every process is strictly controlled to ensure consistent reliability. At the same time, we have obtained multiple international certifications and hold numerous technical patents, continuously enhancing product quality to meet the needs of global customers. With stable product performance and professional service, our products are exported worldwide, serving customers across Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East, trusted by customers around the globe.